Hi Gainesville families, this is Miss Romano with one final teacher tip for you today. And that tip is to make sure that this summer you are having fun and taking care of yourself both mentally and physically. And here are some ways that I like to do that. First, we have dance it out. Move some furniture around in your living room, put on some of your favorite songs, or maybe even some YouTube Cuckoo Kangaroo Go noodles, and just get your body moving. It feels awesome. Next, stay hydrated. I don't know who needs to hear this. It's me. I need to hear this. Drink water. Your body will thank you. Next up, we have be kind. Be kind to others and be kind to yourself. Whenever in doubt, always choose kind. Next, stay busy or not. Maybe creating something or being productive is something that helps you feel good, and maybe there are days that you just need to do nothing and relax and rest. So listen to what you feel like you need and stay busy or not. Go outside. Make sure every day, go outside for at least a little bit, get some fresh air and some sunshine. It is so helpful. And finally, practice gratitude. At least once a day, I try to think about something that I'm thankful for, and it has really helped me through this time. And I just want to give a quick shout out to Nicole and Megan and Grace at Irving Publications. I'm really grateful that you guys gave teachers in Alachua County this amazing opportunity to reach some families and make these videos. So thank you, everyone at Irving Publications. All right, I hope y'all have a wonderful summer, and we'll see you next year. Happy learning, y'all.